Ex-date the 7th of August 2023. Gabriel India Limited. Final dividend 1.65 rupees. Karavisaya Bank Limited. Dividend 2 rupees. National Fittings Limited. Dividend 1.50 rupees. Navneet Education Limited. Final dividend 2.60 rupees. Prism Medico and Pharmacy Limited. EGM. Rights Limited. Interim dividend 3.75 rupees. Saxoft Limited. Final dividend 0.35 rupees. Sayaji Hotels Limited. Spin-off. Shriji Translogistics Limited. Final dividend 0.20 rupees. Ex-date the 8th of August 2023. Archid Organizers Limited. Final dividend 0.50 rupees. Castrol India Limited. Interim dividend 3 rupees. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Final dividend 4.75 rupees. Raghav Productivity Enhancers Limited. Bonus issue 1 for everyone held. Shall be limited. Final dividend 1.20 rupees. Sterlite Technologies Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. Taneja Aerospace and Aviation Limited. Interim dividend 2.50 rupees. Westlife Foodworld Limited. Interim dividend 3.45 rupees. Ex-date the 9th of August 2023. LT Foods Limited. Interim dividend 0.50 rupees. ICICI Bank Limited. Final dividend 8 rupees. Motherson Sumi Wiring India Limited. Final dividend 0.65 rupees. Sarthak Metals Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. West Coast Paper Mills Limited. Final dividend 10 rupees. Planter Polysacs Limited. EGM. Ex-date the 10th of August 2023. Man Infra Construction Limited. Interim dividend 0.36 rupees. Allied Digital Services Limited. Final dividend 1.25 rupees. Alchem Laboratories Limited. Final dividend 10 rupees. Aditya Vision Limited. Final dividend 7.50 rupees. Goa Carbon Limited. Dividend 17.50 rupees. I buy NV it fund. Income distribution. I envy it. Jubilant Ingrevia Limited. Final dividend 2.50 rupees. Lind India Limited. Final dividend 4.50 rupees. Special dividend 7.50 rupees. Lumax Industries Limited. Final dividend 27 rupees. Lumax Auto Technologies Limited. Final dividend 4.50 rupees. Nitin Castings Limited. Dividend 0.75 rupees. Hitachi Energy India Limited. Final dividend 3.40 rupees. Rama Phosphates Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. Sunshield Chemicals Limited. Final dividend 2 rupees. Thomas Cook India Limited. Dividend 0.40 rupees. Vaibhav Global Limited. Interim dividend. Ex-date the 11th of August 2023. Anna Pharma Limited. Final dividend 2 rupees. Krishna Industries Limited. Interim dividend. Bandhan Bank Limited. Final dividend 1.50 rupees. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Final dividend 0.40 rupees. CCL Products, India Limited. Final dividend 2.50 rupees. Century Inca Limited. Final dividend 10 rupees. City Union Bank Limited. Dividend 1 rupees. Divi's Laboratories Limited. Final dividend 30 rupees. Endurance Technologies Limited. Dividend 7 rupees. Federal Bank Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. Godfrey Phillips India Limited. Final dividend 44 rupees. Grasim Industries Limited. Final dividend 10 rupees. HB Stock Holdings Limited. Dividend 1 rupees. Indocount Industries Limited. Final dividend 2 rupees. Indo Borax and Chemicals Limited. Dividend 1 rupees. JK Lakshmi Cement Limited. Final dividend 3.75 rupees. Colt Patel Developers Limited. Final dividend 4 rupees. Covey Medical Center and Hospital Limited. Special dividend 5 rupees. Covey Medical Center and Hospital Limited. Final dividend 5 rupees. Kalyani Steels Limited. Dividend 10 rupees. Dr. Lal Path Labs Limited. Interim dividend 6 rupees. Final dividend 6 rupees. Meena Money Industries Limited. Stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees. Samvardhana Motherson International Limited. Final dividend 0.65 rupees. NTPC Limited. Final dividend 3 rupees. Pfizer Limited. Final dividend 35 rupees. Pfizer Limited. Special dividend 5 rupees. Pi Industries Limited. Final dividend 5.50 rupees. Pitti Engineering Limited. Final dividend 1.20 rupees. Rajapalayam Mills Limited. Dividend 1 rupees. Snowman Logistics Limited. Interim dividend 1 rupees. Tourism Finance Corporation of India Limited. Final dividend 2.40 rupees. Tinplate Company of India Limited. Dividend 3 rupees. Tips Films Limited. Final dividend 5 rupees. Universe Enterprises Limited. Dividend 6.50 rupees. Max Ventures and Industries Limited. Merger. Iris Clothings Limited. Subdivision. From Rs 10 per share to Rs 2 per share. Bharti Airtel Limited. Dividend. Rs 4 per share. Upcoming actions. The 14th of August 2023. Amber Enterprises Limited. Final dividend 0.30 rupees. Computer Age Management Services Limited. Final dividend 12 rupees. Interim dividend. Eicher Motors Limited. Final dividend 37 rupees. Everest Industries Limited. Final dividend 6 rupees. Fine Organic Industries Limited. Final dividend 9 rupees. Gateway Distriparks Limited. Interim dividend. Heritage Foods Limited. Final dividend 2.50 rupees. Hindalco Industries Limited. Dividend 3 rupees. Iceject Heavy Engineering Limited. Dividend 3 rupees. Camdhino Limited. Final dividend 1.50 rupees. KPIT Technologies Limited. Final dividend 2.65 rupees. Maharashtra Seamless Limited. Dividend 5 rupees. Man Industries, India Limited. Interim dividend. Mahanagar Gas Limited. Final dividend 16 rupees. Quest Capital Markets Limited. Final dividend 2.50 rupees. Rec Limited. Interim dividend 3 rupees. Sealmatic India Limited. Final dividend 1.10 rupees. Steel Strips Wheels Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. The 17th of August 2023. Action Construction Equipment Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. Banaras Hotels Limited. Final dividend 20 rupees. Hiranba Industries Limited. Final dividend 1.25 rupees. IG Petrochemicals Limited. Final dividend 10 rupees. Industrial and Prudential Investments Co Limited. Final dividend 60 rupees. India Pesticides Limited. Final dividend 0.75 rupees. IL&FS Investment Managers Limited. Final dividend 0.80 rupees. Jammu and Kashmir Bank Limited. Final dividend 0.50 rupees. JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Final dividend 9.25 rupees. Vedant Fashions Limited. Final dividend 9 rupees. Neelamalai Agro Industries Limited. Dividend 30 rupees. Relaxo Footwears Limited. Final dividend 2.50 rupees. Shilcha Technologies Limited. Final dividend 10 rupees. South Indian Bank Limited. Final dividend 0.30 rupees. V-Guard Industries Limited. Final dividend 1.30 rupees. The Yamuna Syndicate Limited. Final dividend 325 rupees. The 18th of August 2023. AK Capital Services Limited. Final dividend 6 rupees. Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited. Final dividend 9 rupees. AVT Natural Products Limited. Final dividend 0.60 rupees. Coal India Limited. Final dividend 4 rupees. Control Print Limited. Buyback of shares. Crest Ventures Limited. Dividend 1 rupees. D-Link India Limited. Final dividend 5 rupees. Special dividend 5 rupees. Gadori Power and Icepit Limited. Final dividend 4 rupees. Greenplay Industries Limited. Dividend 0.50 rupees. IFGL Refractories Limited. Final dividend 7 rupees. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited. Final dividend 2 rupees. KSE Limited. Final dividend 20 rupees. Lancer Holdings Limited. Bonus issue 1 for every 2 held. Lick Housing Finance Limited. Final dividend 8.50 rupees. Magna Electrocastings Limited. Dividend 3 rupees. NGL Fine Chem Limited. Final dividend 1.75 rupees. Page Industries Limited. Interim dividend. QGO Finance Limited. Interim dividend. SIL Investments Limited. Dividend 2.50 rupees. Circa Paints India Limited. Final dividend 1.50 rupees. Sutlej Textiles and Industries Limited. Final dividend 1 rupees. Tiga Industries Limited. Final dividend 2 rupees. Vidli Restaurants Limited. Final dividend 0.50 rupees. Whirlpool of India Limited. Final dividend 5 rupees. Actions later. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like. Subscribe. Press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section. And stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.